Lesson 12, Part 3. First, Yuki. Snow, snowy. Yuki ga futteimasu. It's snowing. Second, Kumori. Cloudy. Sora ga kumutteimasu. The sky is cloudy. Third, Hoteru. Hotel. Hoteru daiwa takaidasu. The hotel expenses are quite costly. Fourth, Kuko. Airport. Kuko made takshide ikimashita. I went to the airport in a taxi. Fifth, Umi. Sea, ocean. Watashi wa umi no chikaku no machi ni omaremashita. I was born in a town near the sea. Sixth, Seikai. World. Seikai ni wa iro na hito ga emasu. There are many kinds of people in the world. Seventh, Party. Party. Doyobi ni party ga arimasu. Eighth, Matsuri. Festival. Obon wa Nihon no Matsuri no hitotsu desu. Obon is one of Japan's festivals. Ninth, Sukiyaki. Beef and vegetable hotspot. Sukiyaki o tabeta koto ga arimasu ka? Have you tried eating sukiyaki? 10th, Sashimi. Sliced raw fish. Sashimi wa tabemasen. I cannot eat sashimi. Grammar point 5. N1 no naka de nani, dore, dare, itsu ga ichiban adjective desu ka? N2 ga ichiban adjective desu. They indicates a range. This question pattern is used to ask the listener to choose from a group or category denoted by N1, a thing, place, person, time, etc. Example, Yoroppa de doko ga ichiban yokatta desu ka? Suisu ga ichiban yokatta desu. What was your favorite place in Europe? Switzerland was the best. Example 2. Kazoku de dare ga ichiban seiga takai desu ka? Ototo ga ichiban seiga takai desu. Who is the tallest in your family? My younger brother is the tallest.